I enjoy TEL 101 because it allows me to bring out my creativity in my drawings. I enjoy sketching because it allows me to put my mind on paper. Currently in my class, my favorite project was creating a board game with a group of peers because it allowed us to bring out our creativity. We had to use the design process to develop the board game. This allowed us to express different ways of creativity in a group project.
In this class and in my major, I enjoy doing group work and different activities with my peers because everybody's so devoted to their work and everybody has a true love for what they do. Today in class, we started with section view drawings and then went into a project where we used calipers to measure all different objects.